What's going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and today I have another home tech episode, and this right here is the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra Pool Cleaner. It's really been a world where there's been so much evolution. From robot vacuums to robot lawnmowers, window cleaners, we've really seen it all on the channel. I really do like to cover every aspect of tech. And in today's video, we're checking out something that is a little bit more unique, but was a big trend at CES 2025, where this newest generation from Beatbot was announced, and I want to give a huge thanks to them for sponsoring this video. So this right here is probably the most advanced pool cleaner on the market. It has so many features, and in just a couple years of seeing these products come up, there's already been a huge improvement in really every aspect of pool care. And if you have a pool in your backyard, you know that it is one of the greatest things when it comes to a luxury amenity, whether it is in your building or your home. But at the same time, it is always something that has been known to be very high maintenance from a cleanliness standpoint, from a water quality standpoint, and just generally speaking, the cost can definitely be a lot when it comes to general maintenance. And the goal of the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra is to completely eliminate that and automate that whole process. So let's go ahead and talk about the hardware as well as all of its actual built-in elements that allows it to do its key 5 features before putting it in the pool and show you guys how it works in action. So as you take a look at the hardware itself, you can see that it has a whole bunch of hardware elements that allows it to climb the walls, stay submerged, float around, while also being able to navigate the different elements of your pool. But this main area right here is where it's actually capturing all of the large surface debris, while also having a vacuum on the bottom to be able to suction all of the debris that is on the bottom, such as dirt, leaves, and anything else that might be in your pool. And you can see the little HybridSense camera out in the front is what it uses to navigate, map, and also sense objects using the combination of hardware and software AI technology, which is a really important element of utilizing the sensors within robots, pool cleaners, vacuums, and lawnmowers to be able to get more familiar with its environment for its routine. The Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra is also 2 privacy certified, so you know your data is safe and protected. There's also a few different sensors that are built up in front here in addition to the camera, and on the top you have your actual emptying chamber that allows you to take out the debris, dump it out, place it back in. And there's also the water clarification module that is actually in the back right here that provides a solution to be able to clean the water as it is navigating and processing the water. It just seems like something that makes sense beyond being able to actually capture the debris. And with the monster 13,400 milliamp hour battery, it can actually provide pool cleaning for up to 10 hours of surface cleaning, 5 hours of floor cleaning, and 4.5 hours for walls and waterline, making it very ideal for larger pools. And it really is something that you just set and forget. So beginning with the HybridSense AI technology, this unit actually features 27 different sensors. Some of them you see on the front. There's also many that are built into the bottom, but on all directions it is covered. It does a good job of enhancing efficiency by trying not to go through the same path multiple times. And the uninterrupted cleaning is the elements of its rugged finish and power to be able to get out of situations where it might get stuck, being able to navigate the pool quickly, efficiently, without having you to hop in and move it around. It also has a higher pool perception with the combination of sensors that give it really good environmental awareness, detecting objects, debris, and different heights with ease. The next thing is the 5-in-1 technology. The fact that it is able to capture debris on the surface, waterline, floor, walls, and water clarification means that there's no other element that you need to go ahead and intervene. So some of the debris is located on the tops, things such as leaves, things that may have just fallen on it, bugs, but then there's also debris that floats to the bottom, such as dirt, and obviously those are 2 very important elements. But what's great is that with the ability to crawl and its suction, it is also able to climb up all of the vertical walls. And depending on how dirty your pool is, that is an important feature. And those are 4 dimensions of general cleaning that you would expect out of a high-end pool vacuum. But in addition to that, this one is also able to do water clarification by releasing natural clarifiers as it navigates through the pool and as the water passes through it. It is 4 times faster than the traditional clarifier, and it also binds algae and microscopic particles into larger clumps, making it easy for the actual pump and filter of the vacuum to pick up later. It's one of these pods that you can go ahead and replace as part of the maintenance process, and it's located on the back of the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra. With advanced AI cruise debris detection, as I talked about, it uses the 27 sensors as well as the moving elements to be able to identify, visualize, and capture debris in targeted areas. So if you have like a certain area of your pool that has all of the debris, it will kind of see that, go to that area, and also intelligently not go back to the same place to clean again. And I mean, you take a look at the brushes along here, as well as the crawl method here, and all of the stuff that's going on underneath. It really does cover every element of being able to navigate the tough terrains of your pool, the stairs, the verticals, while being able to also utilize its software and mapping to make it as fast and efficient as possible. What's also great is when it's done cleaning or when the battery reaches 12%, it will actually just float along the surface, meaning you don't have to like hop in your pool and fish it out from the bottom of the pool when you need to take it out. And I think that is a really important feature and something that I definitely wondered before. When it is done, it does its remote parking, which is great. And along the edge of the pool, you can just pick it up through the handle right here. Within the app itself, you also have full control of the Beatbot. You're able to see the reports of what it's captured, set the different modes of where you'd like it to focus on or do a general clean, set different schedules, learn more about it, and you can also adjust certain parameters to fit your pool depending on its size and shape. And most importantly, push software updates to it as well because they are continuously improving it. Within the app itself, you can also manually drive this around the pool, which is a good option to always have if there's an area that you want to pinpoint directly. But in this case, the AquaSense 2 Ultra is really meant to be fully automated and independent on its own. So at the end of the day, this really is something for someone who has a very large pool, live in an area that it might get very dirty, and just want to be able to automate the process of pool maintenance with an all-in-one product. And it really is for those who are looking for the very best in pool automation robots in 2025. If you guys want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the top of the description section box below. And as always, this has been another episode of the Home Tech series where we take a look at automated home tech in the current day for all parts of your home. And if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.